Hello, this is our base tour for 5 days. Oh, dancing lady här. Okay, so we have a car and this is the car house for the car.
Yes.
This
Yes,
is
the
Idris.
Vänta! This is the golf car. This is the golf car and its house. Yes.
Okay, and we are gonna have, there is Kelvin, and here we have the sled for logs and stones, and there is a bird. And
No, don't forget the pinnar. Don't forget the pinnar.
yeah, we have fish trap, and
Nej,
we
hallå, det snöar.
is snowing. Here we put our stones and logs, and we have this tree house for extra if we need like safe.
Excuse me, sir. Where is Kelvin?
And here it's extra bed, and there is our lookout tower. I'm gonna show you this later. And here Idris is live. In this beautiful house, she have fireplace, bed, and pin stick.
Yeah. Wait, I'm going to do a door.
Okay, so okay. Here is I have for fireplace thing. Oh, and here is my. Oh, it's winter now, so it's not very warm. So here is my house. I have bed here. I have deer, bird, canine, turt, and fish thing. Yeah, and now it's freezing. It is. Vi har inget vatten, det fryser.
Va? Nej. Helvete! Hur fan ska vi få vatten nu då?
Now this is don't go. Oh, here is vatten. It's okay. It don't go so good when it's winter. We don't know. It's calm now. It says very cold. It is bigger than dörr.
Jag försöker, men hur bygger man en dörr?
Oh. Okay, so this was our base tour. What the fuck var det? Okay, bye guys. Have such a nice day.